Bring the beauty of the bay into your home or business with a fully customised Scenic glass splashback from Port Stephens Images. We measure, supply and install your custom Scenic glass splashback and manufacture locally to comply with Australian standards. The glass is firstly cut to precise measurements. We can customise the glass to fit virtually any size space, big or small. We then custom cut out any holes for your fittings, such as electrical switches or taps, to ensure your Scenic glass splashback will fit perfectly. The glass is then safety toughened and the edges are beveled and polished. The images are printed directly onto the glass using high quality Australian UV resistant ink. Your Scenic splashback will last a lifetime without fading, peeling or cracking. And unlike tiles, there is no grout to contend with, making cleaning a breeze. A final protective coating is then sprayed onto the splashback prior to installation. Call us today for a no obligation quote. Port Stephens Images. Love where you live.